Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we'll be learning how to make a long pencil skirt with back slits. If this is your first time to this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button to get notified whenever I post new videos. Now to make this skirt, this is my fabric, lining, and this is my waistband. So as you can see, I ironed canvas stay to the waistband. Now we'll open up to show you guys how it looks after cutting. This is the front piece and the back piece. Also the lining for the front piece and back piece. Now I'm going to open up the front piece, place it together with the lining, then come to the down of the skirt and sew it straight. Now after sewing, I'm going to fold the ankara fabric to the notched extra 1.5 inches. Fold just like this. Arrange the lining properly, then pin just like this and sew it straight. So guys, this is it. Now I'll come to the waist and cut out the extra lining, then turn it to the front just like this. Now this is how it looks after turning. I'll fold and keep aside. Next, I'll sew the down of the back piece, then sew the sides. So this is it. Now this is the front piece and the two back piece after turning. So guys, we are done turning the skirt. The next thing is to place the back piece like this and sew the zip line straight all through to the down. Now after sewing, this is it. Next thing is to mark the darts. I will mark 4.5 inches width, and 4.5 inches length. I will flip and do the same 4.5 inches width and 4.5 inches length. Keep aside and do the same for the front piece. I'm going to fold the front piece just like this and mark the width 4.5 inches and 4.5 inches length. Also flip and do the same. So after marking, this is the front piece and back piece. Now I'm going to hold the dart line and sew. So guys, this is the dart after sewing. Now I'm going to work on the waistband. So this is the waistband, it's 5 inches wide. I will fold and cut it into two. So after cutting, I will fold like this and sew. So I'll do the same for the other piece. After sewing, turn it to the front. Open up 1 inch from the zip allowance line. Then place and pin the waistband. Then sew it. After sewing, fold the waistband just like this and sew it straight. I'll do the same for this. So guys, this is how the back waistband looks after sewing. Now for the front piece, this is my waistband. I'll sew the two sides just like we did for the back. After sewing, turn it to the front. Fold it into two and notch the middle. Then I'll do the same for the front piece of the skirt. Fold into two just like this, then notch the middle. After notching, I will place the waistband to the skirt waist and pin it just like this. Now I'll first sew straight, then turn the waistband to the front just like this. Fold it, then sew. So this is it. We are done sewing the waistband. Now to sew the zip, place the zip on the skirt and mark the zip length. Then open up the marked point and sew the zip. Now I'm going to mark the body size measurement. The waist size divided by 2 to get 21.5. Now I'll come down by 8.5 inches for the hip line. Then mark the waist size divided by 2 to get 24 inches. Connect the points, then pin just like this. Now I'm going to come down by 19 inches to mark the knee line. Now mark the hip size, which is 12 inches. So the knee line is going to be 11 inches, removing 1 inches from the hip size, which is 12. Now connect the points and pin just like this. Now from the waistline, I will come down by 23 inches, which is the slit length. Now for the down, I will mark 11 inches, which is the same size with the knee size. After marking, I will connect the points. Now a quick recap. From the waist to the hip line, connect the points. Now from the knee line to the down of the skirt, connect the points. Now I'm going to sew the two sides. After sewing the two sides, I'll remove the pin. Now I'll open up the slit to this marked point. So I'm just going to use my scissors to carefully open the slit. After that, I will sew a double stitch to the marked point. So guys, this is how to sew or make an ankara pencil or straight skirt, which is perfect for any blouse of your choice. If you watched to this point, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I'll see you in my next video.